familiar mayonnaise, Spanish style, the one I make, the one I learned to make years and years ago. I find it super easy because it is basically 3 ingredients. And if you stick to the quantities, you will always get a really good mayonnaise that will last a few days in the fridge. We probably have it in the fridge for about a week, if not more sometimes. And we use it for various different things. So I'll show you the ingredients now. The basic recipe is 150 ml of sunflower oil, vegetable oil. I really will use most of the time sunflower oil just because it is not very strong in flavor, and to me it just makes a good mayonnaise. I have put before, I have made it before with olive oil, which obviously would be my preference, but I just find it a bit too strong in taste. So this is the one that everyone will eat happy with. So 150 ml, 1 egg, that is always the ratio, 1 egg for 150 ml of oil. So I'll put this together. Then a key ingredient for me as well, at least for this type of mayonnaise anyway, obviously everyone will do their own version, but for me what works is a teaspoon of this mustard. It just helps it emulsify, I guess that's the word, and we anyway love mustard, so it just gives you that really beautiful taste. So I put a very thick teaspoon in there, and then just a good pinch of salt. And that is pretty much it. So we are going to start, and you will need a hand blender. You can probably just do this by hand, but you know, this is too quick and good and easy. So you need to stick this at the bottom and just don't move it for the first minute or so, the first seconds. Well, that's it. That was, I reckon, under a minute. I should actually time this to find out, but yeah, it just, so quick. And honestly, knowing that our mayonnaise only has 1 egg and vegetable, sunflower oil, salt and mustard, makes me feel good, you know. It doesn't have all those preservatives, all those extra ingredients that, you know, I don't think, we just don't know. We really use mayonnaise once, maybe twice a week if we use it, maybe a bit more, but hey, when we use it, at least we kind of feel like we know what we are eating. So yeah, super simple. I just put now this in a little jar with a tight lid, pretty much like the same jar as the one for the mustard, and keep it in the fridge. Right now I'm gonna use it with the Russian salad that we made before, so that's actually why I was making it. Otherwise I would have really, I don't think we will have used it this week. But yeah, I'll put a lot of mayonnaise in here. Put a bit of salt now in here because we didn't put salt before. And on that note, if you are interested in this recipe, just check my other video to make a delicious Russian salad, which is very, very popular in Spain. If you've been to Spain, you may have had a tapa or a little plate of Russian salad, ensaladilla rusa. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks, and leave me in the comments any questions if you have about how to make mayonnaise.